Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Wikipedia-like dashboard in Obsidian. By the end, you'll have a clean, clickable system that works just like browsing a mini encyclopedia inside your notes. We're keeping things simple and focused so you can follow along easily and get something useful up and running in just a few minutes. Start by opening Obsidian. If you have multiple vaults, choose the one where you want this dashboard to live. Once you're inside, look at the left sidebar. That's your File Explorer, where all your folders and notes live. Think of it like the table of contents for your entire workspace. Create a new folder and give it a clear name, like Wikipedia. This folder will act as your home base, and everything we build today will stay inside it. Keeping things grouped like this makes your dashboard easy to navigate and maintain as it grows. Now add your first note inside that folder and name it Physics. Obsidian saves automatically, so you can start writing right away. Add a short overview at the top, then include a few key ideas, concepts, or formulas. The goal here is not perfection, but clarity. You just want enough structure so the page feels meaningful. As you write, start using Obsidian's wiki-style links with double brackets. When you type them, Obsidian will suggest existing notes or let you create new ones instantly. These links are what turns separate notes into a connected system instead of isolated pages. Next, create a second note called Biology in the same folder. Add a short description and a few important ideas, then link it back to Physics by typing its name in double brackets. The moment you do this, it becomes clickable and instantly connected. You can also start preparing the next link by typing Chemistry even before the note exists. Obsidian will automatically connect it once the note is created. Now create a third note called Chemistry. Add a brief overview and a couple of key points, then link it to both Physics and Biology. At this point, all your notes are interconnected, forming a small knowledge network. To make this system more useful, add a simple overview or index note inside the same folder. In that note, list physics, biology, chemistry, and also a quick Start Here section explaining how to use the wiki-style links. This makes the dashboard feel more like a real navigable system instead of just linked pages. Go back to your physics note and make sure it also links to biology, chemistry, and your overview page. Once everything's connected, start clicking through the links. You'll be able to move between pages just like browsing a real encyclopedia. You can open links in the same pane to stay focused, or in new panes if you want to compare ideas side by side. The back and forward navigation in Obsidian helps you move through your history, making it feel very similar to a web browser. Your folder acts as the hub, and your linked notes become the pages inside your personal wiki. As you expand this system, try to keep each note focused on a single topic. Use short sections, clear headings, and simple language so everything stays easy to scan. When you want to grow your dashboard, just repeat the same process. Create a note, write a summary, and link it to related ideas. You can also add new subjects anytime and connect them back into your index so the system keeps scaling naturally. Over time, this turns into a structured knowledge map instead of a collection of scattered notes. You'll naturally start navigating your thinking instead of searching for it. That's it. You opened Obsidian, created a folder, added an index page, built 3 connected notes, added usage guidance, and linked everything together into a mini Wikipedia system. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.